For today's episode,
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Taoyuan International Airport. Welcomes you to Taiwan.
鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれがなって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるけれど返事は求められて変のやろりを結んで可愛くして喋らん方が可愛いなって言うけど名前も知らん
so nandito na kami sa may Taipei Station. Aga kami pumunta, wala ko masyadong tao.
And the doll goes missing. 1,003 lies and the world keeps twisting. Wrapped up in shades that are just blank faces. Otona shake, otona shake, otona shake. Let's play pretend, pretend, pretend. Make me perfect. Close the case, pose me right then.
Ano ba yung ano nang masarap? Haochi? Haochi. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back again to another video. Okay, today is our flight going to ngayon nakapag-vlog ulit ako. Sobrang dami ng pinagkabisihan ng lola niya. So ngayon, samahan niyo ko guys para i-explore ang Taiwan. Okay, bye-bye! Hello, everybody. Ito kami sa update. Gate 101 kami, going to Taipei. 113 na. Asan tayo, babe? Ayan, 310, 5J. 5J na?
May have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
Wow. Excess baggage. Time check is 2:30. So, nandito na kami sa may Taoyuan Airport. May magkasusundo pala sa amin guys today. Kasi bilok namin siya via Klook.
街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ
So,
静
motivation
か
na
な
kami guys.
街の声が瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界が呼ぶ何もない空白の中漂うこの一人何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ
Bilis. Babe. Thank you. Let's go. Ito na po. Hey guys, we are here at the Finders Hotel. Nandito na kami guys. Ayan. So, let's go inside. Ha? Saan tayo? Dito ba? Hindi doon. Anong floor? Third floor. Okay. Guys, ang oras ay 3:55 naman eh. Okay guys. Tanya nga. Parang you're only one here. Because the people here is floor. Babe. 8th floor.
Bilis, no? Parang Fast and the Furious. Pero ganda ng daan, no?
Ganda. Okay. Anong bango ah. Okay. Let's go guys. Okay. Here's our room. Go na Tanya. Okay. Go. Oh. You gonna room tour? So
No.
okay guys, this is our room. Wala lang bidet. Ay, ang ganda naman. Okay na. Wow. Spacious. Hello everybody, we are finally here at our hotel. So, see you later na lang bukas kay Bye for now. Hey guys, good morning. So, this is my outfit for today. Ay, hindi kasi kita na. Outfitan niya. So, this is our outfit, guys. Let's go. Going to school. Oh. Hey guys, so today is nag-Uber kami going to Taipei main station. So doon kami sasakay ng high-speed train. Ayun. Yun lang. So update ko kayo later guys. Time check is 8 AM na. Yun lang. So this is DIY. I hope na maging okay na may papunta namin. Hindi kami maligaw. Yun lang. So, I will update you guys later. Bye for now. Hello. Guys, so nasa ito yung pinaka main station guys ng Taipei. Malaki siya. I'll show you guys. Sobrang laki dito. May Christmas tree na rin sila dito. Yan. Hi baby! Hey guys, tatawid kami dito sa may... Wait lang. Maghanap kami ng money changer dito sa may... Tawid kami dito. Maaga pa naman, 11:30 yung aming train. So, alauna dating namin doon. Ayan. Tatawid kami. Dito kami sa may 7-Eleven. Dito sa may station lang. Sa ilalim to eh. Underground. What's that? Ay, oo. Ayan, nag-gift mo. Where are we now?
Train station.
So guys, ayan, sasakay kami to guys sa high-speed train dito sa may Taipei Station. Ayan, inaantay na namin guys. So dito kami sa lane na to. Ayan, 1 to 9. Guys, what's up? So, we're just waiting our train. Yes, via Klook pala guys, yung binook namin. And ililink ko na lang guys kung magkano. And then, papunta dun, ay pagdating namin doon is magta-taxi na kami. Ayun. And yung biyahe pala guys from Taipei going to Chiayi is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yes. 1 hour and 30 minutes guys yung biyahe papunta doon. So, ayun lang naman. So, update ko na lang kayo guys later pag nandun na kami. C 6D. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa loob ng train. So 1 hour and 30 minutes yung biyahe. Baka tulog mo na ako guys.
Darker spirits in your potted bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me. And she said she liked me,
Sakay kami ng
but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts.
Guys, dito na kami sa Chongqing University kung saan dito nag-shooting ang F4, ang Meteor Garden. I'm so excited. So, magpipicture kami. Titignan natin kung saan banda yung mga lugar na pinag-shootingan nila. Okay, let's go. Go, guys. Ayan. Hindi ko alam doon sa kabila ata yun eh. Ayan, yung isang F4 ni Meteor Garden. So, tapos na kami dyan sa may hagdan. At ayan, the stairs. Dito naman tayo sa may bridge. Ayan, papakita ko na lang guys yung gagayain namin. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito. Oh my gosh, guys, dito nag-shooting ang F4. So, baka dito Tanya, upo ka ganyan, no? Upo kami dyan ni Daddy. Diyan kami upo. Exercise na rin yun, lalakad ka, pero masarap lakad kasi ano siya, malamig yung hangin. Mainit eh. I'm with my cousin. Ay!
他那个时候前几个月他们在拍。
Ito yung bilihan ng ano? Ay, mga dito.
Kasi mo, bilhan mo ng cheese mamaya.
Mamaya. Ang bakit? Ang ganda dito. Lahat, buti nagbangs ako. Bangs pala dito labanan.
Oo, bangs labanan. Kaya nga po.
O, ito, oh. Lalakad lang kami dito sa may busy street ng Ximending. Ayan. Mamaya picture kami. Kakain lang kami, guys, kasi gutom na. Ang ganda dito. Si Donkey. Ayan, guys. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Hala! Gusto ko dito. Okay. Guys, dito kami. Dito kami kakain. Kapila? Oh my God, asarap ito. Hala. Robot to. Gosh. I'm hungry.
Ano gusto nyo? Vegetable.
Ito.
Oo, ito na lang.
Ito na lang.
Siya gusto din.
Tayo na gusto ko. So, ayun guys, sabi niya. Guys, nagbangs ako dito kasi bangs ang labanan dito. Pakita ko rin pinsan ko. Pakita bangs, day. Pak. Sabi bangs ang labanan. Let's go. Bango. Saan yung soup?
Rice.
Ito yung rice.
Doon na tayo, magagawa tayo.
Oo nga. Mag-rice ako? Rice tayo? Ano yaw-yaw?
Taiwan beer.
Uy, ito beef to, no?
Ano kani?
Sobrang ahang. Mamaya, mag-iinom tayo.
Inom tayo.
Kasama naman yan, di ba?
Ha?
Kasama ba yan? Pareho na ba? Pwede na kumuha dyan? Sige. We're so hungry.
Cake, mushroom, corn, salad, and I don't know what it's but yummy.
Shabu-shabu. Here in Taiwan. Mga gutom, walang lunch. So today is another day. Hello. Okay.
Drive lang sa Cavite lang.
Cavite.
Natatakot siya mag-drive sa Pinas.
Nandito kami guys sa gitna. Ito yung sikat na Rainbow Road. Ayan o. May nakalagay dyan guys na Taipei. So ayan. Pipicture lang kami dito. Tapos ayan sila. Napipicture sila guys.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for.
Kami guys sa Family Mart at mag-breakfast dito. Let's go! Ito na ako. So, gusto ko mag-soup, babe. You want soup, ha? Hey guys, good morning. So nandito kami guys sa sikat na milk teahan dito sa may Taiwan. So sakto guys kasi maaga kami pumunta, wala pang masyadong tao. So let's go, try natin guys yung sikat na milk tea nila. At ang sabi dito doon nag-originate yung milk tea. So let's go. Let's order. So, and hello. What is your best seller?
Best seller is
Number
number 1.
one, okay.
If you want to eat, you can get combo.
A combo.
Number 2.
See.
Number
89.
89 here. You can take the one. Take one. It's a finish. You can
Be the person you'd love to meet. Taste first. Hey guys. This is the
Breakfast in Taiwan.
oh, 35 lang to guys.
对，是那个对 pork 啊，right yes size pork，你的那个 vegetable cake，
Radish cake.
Sarap babe. Try mo to.
Ilang lasa?
这个可以，对，
Ano ba yung ano nang masarap?
one more.
How to?
好吃
How to?
好吃
May pronunciation kasi dito na.
Mali ba? Oo nga.
How to?
Sleepy. So you want to sleep, sleep ka na dyan because 30 minutes pa. So guys, from here, 30 minutes daw yung biyahe going to Mongkok. Ano ba? Mongkok. Sorry naman. So 30 minutes yun.
cake cake。
Tapos pagdating dun sa taas, mag-car na tayo yung
Pababa.
pick up sa kanila. Oo.
Oh, ganun.
Tapos lunch natin, doon na tayo sa Mountain View. Doon
Sige.
sa Maokong malapit lang.
Sige. Okay po. Wala kami alam dito.
Our tour guide.
Our tour guys, Melissa from PH.
From PH. PH.com.
PH Care.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow. Wow, ang ganda ng bundok. Tayo. Okay. Mamaya. Makalula siya guys. Wait lang.
街の明かりがぼやけてる理解できぬ何も見えぬ静かな街の声が瞳の奥に広がる見えない世界が呼ぶ何もない空白の中漂うこの一人何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ何もない見つめるだけ何もない眺めるだけ暗闇の中で揺れる庶民の光と影思い出すのは夢の代わりにある中です消えてゆくのか一人じゃない闇の中で見つけられるものはこれが夢なのか現実なのか
Hey guys, nandito kami sa may Mountain Tea House. Ayan. So, dito kami kakain. Hi! Ayan. So, ito yung mga... Naka-order na naman, no? Let's go inside. Yeah, me, I want to try.
Sweet.
Ito ba? Ano, what is good? This one?
You try sweet.
Yeah.
哎，还有一样茶，你要什么茶？这个是迎宾茶招待，然后这个是我们点的铁观音，然后还有2壶茶。那你有想要什么？因为想说一壶给你。
Para masarap sa sikmura.
还有一个要包，他是说他们这2个。龟猪碎。
Parang yung sa ano?
cold chicken. Yeah, chicken.
Cold chicken.
Same lang sa Japan.
Mahal niya yung mga ganyan nila dito.
Classic.
Kain siya.
我们让你吃上吗？好。
Mag-help.
You hi. Hi.
Na. Ay ko guys. Na camera. Hindi ba dito? So, babalikan namin. Oh, dyan. Guys, babalikan namin yung naiwan ko na camera. Hey guys, hello! So today, papunta na kami guys sa Shifen. Old Street siya. Dun sa may lantern. Kinuha pa namin tong naiwan kong DJI. Nakuha ko lang din at safe naman. 'Di ba? Kung sa atin pa yung nakuha na yun. Pero dito kasi talagang sisurrender nila kung hindi naman sa kanila yung gamit. So, continue ang vlog. Yan. Welcome.
Very cold.
Balls and red beans and tofu pudding. So this so kung sa Philippines halo-halo. Yeah. So let's try and taste it. Yay. Yum yum. Meron na siyang.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like gulaman. Masarap. Yum. Yeah, hi siya. Red. Yan.
Mo yan?
Yan o, masarap.
Where? Mamaya.
Oh.
Napupo man yan.
Capybara. Let's go. Cute! Capybara! How much yan?
要try 吗？
Punta meron, okay? No ginger. Jelly, okay? I just chocolate.
Laki ah.
Yung alam mo yung binili mo sa akin ng pabango kas? Ganda dyan ng picture!
Mabango nga yun.
Ang ganda ng picture dito. Hello! Lalakad natin yan?
Yung sa kabila yung video mo.
Ang ganda! Ang ganda naman ng Christmas dito, no? Hindi tipid yung Christmas light.
Nasa one sa...
我在户外停车场，要
Hey
去老板看吗？
guys!
我们没有让，我们要直接去那边停车场。好好，哎，那个户外停车场贵吗？还是还好？还好。
Yes, we're going inside the Taipei 101 or Buffet 101. Yeah. Wow, I'm gonna show you guys. There you go. Woo! Grabe, ang taas. Oh. Let's take a picture. Wow! Let's go inside. Let's go.
That is